Welcome to PharmNXT Biotech. Today we will walk through the PUPSIT process, or pre-use post-sterilization integrity testing, a critical procedure in bioprocessing to ensure sterility and filtration integrity. PUPSIT plays a vital role in verifying filter integrity, both before and after sterilization. This process minimizes risks of contamination, enhances sterility, and helps avoid costly product loss, essential for regulatory compliance and patient safety. The PUPSIT assembly consists of various critical components, each designed to maintain sterility and optimize filtration. Key components include the filtration unit, wetting system, testing ports, flow control devices, sterile connectors, and a control system that ensures automated and consistent operation. Our first step is filter wetting. Proper wetting is crucial for accurate integrity testing, as it ensures the filter's pores are fully saturated. This step creates consistent conditions similar to actual filtration, using a compatible wetting agent like water for injection, WFI, or isopropanol for hydrophobic filters. To achieve complete saturation, the filter is vented to eliminate air pockets. PharmNXT's XELTA NXTPUPSIT assemblies offer an optional vent bag that collects vent liquid in a closed sterile system, preventing spills and maintaining a sterile environment. After wetting, the assembly undergoes integrity testing. This critical step verifies the filter's performance and ensures that sterility standards are met. During testing, a compatible gas such as nitrogen or helium is introduced to check for any pressure differential that could indicate a filter breach. Our systems use high-precision integrity testers and are compatible with leading integrity test instruments, guaranteeing reliable results. Upon passing integrity testing, the system is ready for product filtration. The PUPSIT assembly opens to allow sterile filtration of the bulk drug substance from the bulk tank to the sterile collection site. PharmNXT's commitment extends beyond standalone PUPSIT assemblies. We offer fully automated single-use filtration skid designed for sterility, regulatory compliance, and process flexibility. Seamlessly integrating integrity testing with product filtration, the system ensures both product quality and patient safety. This advanced platform delivers three core functionalities: pre-use filter integrity testing, product filtration at controlled flow rate or differential pressure, post-use filter integrity testing. Engineered for precision, the skid integrates pneumatic pinch valves at key points to control flow paths, a feed pump to transfer buffer or product through sterile lines, flow sensors at pump and system outlets to regulate flow rate, pressure sensors pre- and post-filter to manage differential pressures, dual filter holders to secure filters during operation, and an integrity tester that validates filter performance both before and after use. PharmNXT also offers extensive customization. Options include redundant filtration, buffer chase, real-time pressure monitoring and control, supplier-agnostic manifold design, open architecture system and manifolds design, dedicated transfer lines for buffer and sampling, and bag-holding trolleys for convenience and flexibility. The PUPSIT Skid is fully automated and 21 CFR Part 11 compliant, ensuring data integrity and traceability in GMP environments. Powered by PLC, IPC, or SCADA and HMI platforms, it adapts to customer SOPs with flexible software and intuitive controls. With PharmNXT's PUPSIT Sterile Filtration Skid, you gain automation, compliance, and peace of mind, redefining reliability in bioprocessing.